welcome back to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. And also hit the like button if you enjoy this video. Today's video is kind of a weird one. I decided I really wanted one of those powder brushes that people use to like dust off the thingy. I have one of the nail brushes, the hard ones, like that are quite like toothbrushy. But it just doesn't work the same, and I always see everybody else using like powder brushes to do it. Well, instead of buying one, I did have one in my extensive makeup collection. I had one in my brush collection that I thought would be perfect, but it was a little bit ugly. It was a BH Cosmetics one, and it was just a little bit, it was just plain, it just had a black handle on it, and I wanted some bling! I wanted some glitter and some shimmer and some like funness into it. So I'm going to show you the end result because I don't have the beginning result to show you. What? So this is what it looks like now. Don't get me wrong, like it looks like a child made it. It does kind of look like a little child made it, but it's just there to sit on my little thing, and now I can dust away any dusty nail dustiness, and it works really well. It says underneath that it was number 35 from BH Cosmetics. But yeah, I decided to use acrylic to do this because why not? Because that's what we're all about on this channel now. Acrylic, apparently. So I'm going to show you how I did this. If you're interested, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let's find out how I did it. Okay guys, so I have no idea whether this is gonna work or not. Like, this is a crazy idea, I know. But anyway, this is the brush that I've got. I think it's perfect size for dusting off the nails as you do. It's just a BH Cosmetics one. I got it in like a set. Never really used these brushes, so I thought, you know what? I actually have I was gonna buy one, like to use for this reason. And I thought, you know what, this one will actually be perfect. However, it's not really my style. I kind of want it to be more glittery and nice and girly. So here's what we're gonna do, or at least we're gonna attempt to do. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I'm gonna use acrylic and I'm gonna paint it basically with glitter and clear acrylic, and yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. So I have this glitter here. This is an ultra fine glitter. It is really, really fine, and it's like a purpley, like a lilac-y purpley colour. And I thought if I mix that with this one, which is gold, and I think this is just slightly less fine. I don't know, maybe they're the same, but maybe the gold's a little bit bigger glare. But yeah, I'm gonna mix those two together now. I figured it would be easier to actually put them both together in a tub, so I've got this little tub here. It's only very, very small. I'm not sure how big this would is, but I'm just gonna mix a little bit of the purple and a little bit of the gold in here. So I'm gonna use the Nail Nails medium speed monomer, and I'm going to use this Barely There pink. It's practically clear with a tiny sheen of pink to it. So I'm going to use this with the glitters. So what I'm going to do, mix a little bit of this. I'm not bothered if I mix too much because I'm sure it can be used. I think these colours will look pretty cute together, so mix purple in. Watch the colours just be horrible together now. I hope this works, guys. I don't know if it's gonna. This could be a really bad idea, but I thought, you know what? Let's try it. Yeah, I definitely think that the gold is bigger. The gold pieces are bigger. So, mix the gold in. So I guess that's probably about like half full, maybe. I'm going to pop the lid back on, and then I'm just going to give it a shake. Oops, let's make sure the lid's on right. Oh my god, this could be a disaster, couldn't it? Right, yeah, we got it on properly. I'm just going to give it a good shake and make sure it's all mixed up. Oh, I think this might be a good combination. Oh, or is it just going to end up looking really dirty and horrible? What do you guys think? I think it'll be alright, but I am going to mix a little bit more because actually thinking about it, it might need quite a bit my way. So a little bit more gold. And a little bit more purple. Oh, there's glitter everywhere. It's a good job I like glitter so much, isn't it? Give it a good little shake about. See what it looks like. And that's what we got. So yeah, I think that should be enough, shouldn't it? So I need, pour a bit of monomer in here. Oh, that's probably way more than I needed. Brilliant. Oh, there's so much in here, guys. Why did I do that? Why? And we are good to go. I think this is as zoomed in as I can have it. I think we're close enough. I'll just hold it like this for y'all. Right, we're good to go. Let's just do it. I'm using this number 12. I just want to show you guys. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. But can you see how the bristles have started like frizzing out on this side? And I can't understand it because the one that I have from Essential Nails is perfect. I've used it loads and nothing's ever gone wrong with it. This one, look. Look, you can see there, look. This one I've used once and that's how it went. And I just feel like the acrylic kept getting stuck in the brush and I don't know why. So I'm feeling like it's just making me feel like this isn't as good quality as the Essential Nails one. But maybe I've done something wrong, I don't know. But anyway, let's just get into this and see how it goes. I hope I don't ruin this now because I need this brush. So I'm going to dip it in the monomer, then I'm going to dip it in the acrylic and then the glitter. If you don't quite get enough glitter, you can just dip back in. I actually have a feeling that I've not got enough glitter mixed. Just really want to make sure that it's thick enough that it's going to cover, because we've just got like black and that underneath and also some writing that we want to cover up. Just being careful not to get it on the bristles. And if I see any like blank spaces, I'm just going in with a bit more glitter. Oh, I like the colours. I do think I'm quite happy with the colours. So you might actually find it easier to actually dip in with just the acrylic. Pop the acrylic on where you're wanting it. And then with a little bit of monomer, go in with the glitter, if that makes sense. That's proving a little bit easier for me, I think. I think that's worked a bit better. Yeah, that's so much easier actually. Oh, getting there now, guys. kinda. The only thing that I'm not liking about it is obviously around the top where you can kind of still see the black, but obviously I mean I don't want to get it on the brush. I don't know how much it would matter if I did get it on the brush, I don't know. So now I'm going to cap over the top. I'm just going to kind of encapsulate it. I'm hoping that I'm going to do it neat enough that I'm not going to have to file. Because then I think I'm going to put some gel polish, like seal it with gel polish, because I think that'll make it look really nice. So here it goes. Keep it nice and wet. Just paint it basically is what I'm thinking. Maybe that's not going to work. So I've covered that now. I'm going to let it dry and then just buff over it a little bit. So after you have sort of, you can file it if you need to file it, or I've just kind of buffed it over with quite a rough buffing block. And I'm just going to take a top coat. This is just one of my cheaper ones because I thought I don't want to use an expensive one on this. But obviously you guys can choose whatever you like. What I think I'm going to do is paint a little bit of it and then flash cure it. Just because I'm a little bit concerned. Why does it look a bit darker? I'm just a little bit concerned. Why does it look a lot darker? Oh, the light's not on. Just because I'm a little bit concerned, obviously, about it running, and I'm so bad with clear because you can't actually see it, so let's just see how this goes. Oh, did you see that, guys? Oh wow, it's really brought it out, which is awesome. Get as close to the bristles as I can. Wow. Actually only put a really thin layer on, but I'm just gonna flash cure that for like 10 seconds. Oh, I'm liking it though. What do you think, guys? So I'm going to pop that under now. And fully cure it. What you might want to do when doing this is just give it like 15 seconds and then maybe rotate it around a little bit, because obviously we want to make sure the whole of it's getting cured. Then once we've got all that sorted and all cured, I'm going to take some gel residue wipe off solution on a lint-free majigger. I'm letting this cure for like 2 minutes or something. It's up to you guys what you want to do. I just thought, you know, it needs to last for like ever, so it needs to cure that. It's not 100% smooth. I'm sure you guys will do a much better job and make sure it's all nice and smooth, but I quite like it. I was going to add some bling, but the only problem with that is I feel like it won't be as comfortable to hold, although I suppose you're only holding it for like a minute, so maybe we will add some bling later on. But that is the finished result, and now I have a sparkly little brush. Yay! And that's it, guys. That is how I made this brush a little bit more prettyful, a little bit sparkly, goldy, pinky, sparkliness. It's not amazing. I was thinking about putting some diamantes on it. And I don't know, I feel like that would be quite cool. But the reason why I didn't do that in the first place was just because I felt like it would be a bit awkward to hold it. Also, I didn't want them to fall off. So yeah, I'm quite happy with how it is now, and it's just a cute little thing. I just thought it would be good for a video, and I wanted to do it, and so there we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any more crazy ideas for me to do with like nail stuff or like acrylic or what, like other things I can do that's kind of similar to this kind of phone, please do let me know in the comments down below. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Please do make sure that you are subscribed and you have the ding dong bell pushed so that you get notified when I upload, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!